turn to sit down.
That's later tonight.
Hello.
How are you?
Hang on. Harry, look at the camera.
Right folks, put your hands together for Sue Bennett and Harry Hussey.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. These are a set of bells, as you might have noticed. I have been to Austria, and as I've told you before, I did have a little outing. I chased a few cows around a field, and I said, that one I'll do, and I was listening to each note as they went, and I thought, right, that one I've got a C at the moment, and I need a D. So I chased off to the other cow, and the other one, and then some little cows came along, and there's little baby ones round there now, and I thought,
Bit more than that!
and I thought to myself, it is a bit of a shame to take the bell off because their mums won't find them. But I thought I need it more than they do, really. But anyway, I did lead them in the right direction. You'll be pleased to hear. Now, very fortunately, I can now make a tune up because I've got a whole octave. But the only trouble is if I play anything more than an octave, I have to sort of jump up and down. So I'll stay within the octave if I can. So they're not very exciting tunes, but they are well known. But they will be more exciting when we listen to the Mr. Harry Hussey.
Steady now.
Yes.
Be careful of what you say. Very, very careful. My solicitor is
Now, please feel free to sing, dance, strip, whatever you wish to do.
For God's sake, don't play any other bells up there. That's
Right. We're going to start with a wonderful piece, all the way from the sound of music and the sound of Austria. And it is, would you like to know?
Yeah, I'd like to know. I'd also like to know the key.
I'm just about to tell everybody so you can hear at the same time. A rise, and it's in the key of B flat.
Jesus, you haven't got a B flat among them. You said...
I jolly well have, because I've got
You?
Well, it starts on a D, Harry. Got a clue?
I didn't start on a B, on a D.
Give me a little intro.
Listen, saying go doesn't tell me how bloody fast.
Oh, that's true.
It's like a conductor standing there and saying, 1.
I was going to follow you.
Oh, I see. Oh, I'm supposed to be here accompanying you.
Oh, okay, I'll say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I said 1, 2, 3 a bit quicker than that.
Oh, in what key?
I think it's C.
That's it.
That was it. It is, you're right. Can't get the staff.
I know when
I'm pleased
right.
you know when you're right. The bells of Saint
Mary's.
A Home on the Range.
Oh, right, okay, key. F.
Same again.
Yep.
Home on the Range. Feel free to sing.
There are
Oh no,
three
here we go.
bits.
Here we
Three
go.
bits to Home on the Range.
Yeah, but I don't know. I just know the bit that says Home on the Range.
Do you do all 3 bits?
Oh, I just did a bit. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, that's it.
Go on then.
Ha ha ha. Right, okay, right.
ain't on just a goddamn cotton picking minute. Just you, come on.
Go on then, go.
Come.
Would you like to do the bit in the middle?
I would like to do a bit of jazzy.
Oh, go.
Jazzy Hogan. No, don't do. You
Would you
know.
like me to do that? Let me know.
I was giving you an intro then. I was giving you a
Oh,
nice.
sorry, carry on, go.
A big round of applause, please, for Sue Bennett and Harry Hussey. Thank you, Sue and Harry.